Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss, can people see who viewed their TikTok? So as of May 2025, TikTok allows users to see who viewed their profile and videos, but with specific conditions and limitations. So to enable the function when you can see who viewed your profile, open basically TikTok and open your profile, and in the top right corner of your screen you should see this shoes icon. Looks like this. This is basically viewer history. So you want to turn it on, and here people who viewed your profile in the past 30 days will appear here. But please note that if you enable this feature, other users who have also enabled it will be able to see when you view their profiles. Also, you can turn off this feature because it's very optional thing. And to turn it on, you need to click this gear icon in the top right corner and move the slider to the left like this, and this will disable this function, viewer history. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.